What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the plan. I know y'all probably been waiting on this, man, but today we test the tune. This probably gonna be a collection of 2 days, so we're gonna test the tune because I know I'm gonna do my first pass ever. And I told y'all, look, I told you I'm gonna have a name for it too, man. I got a name for the car. The car's name Airtrain. Airtrain. I used to say that all the time back in my street racing days, man. I used to be Airtrain everything, man. I'd be like Airtrain because, you know, this thing do sound like a plane. It do sound like a plane for real. So that's the name of the car, Airtrain. So today, like I said, the plan is to make the first initial shakedown, man. First initial shakedown. And then I know my first shakedown, every time I get a new car, you got to figure out the power, see how it feels, where it want to blister the tires at and all that. So a lot of it is just driving. So I'm not looking for my first pass to be the top pass I'm going to make. So that's why I said it's going to be 2 days. So we're going to go this evening, get this thing and take it out, and we're going to make a first shakedown. And I'll see how that go. And then we're going to check back in. We're going to go the next day, and then we'll check back in. We're going to shake it down one more time. So y'all stay tuned, man. We'll get to it. All right, so look, we're finna get ready to go ahead and take this thing out. I don't know if I'm going to put a GoPro in the car or not, but I noticed that might be a problem. But that thing needs some tires on it, boy. I said, that probably going to be a problem, man. But I'm going to make especially this one, boy, over here. But I'm going to make it do what it do, man. So look. We finna go ahead and shake it down. We finna go ahead and shake old Airtrain down and see what it do. So we finna jump straight into the footage. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so look, y'all seen, we made the first hit, man. The car moved good, man, on the hard tire. I didn't just lay in it. I wasn't even on the floor, too. That's why the car went screaming. And then when I got back, I saw the footage. Well, I saw it before that, but it was smoking. But what it did, it put some transmission fluid out. So it's a little leak, which ain't nothing serious. Y'all know who we got for that. We can fix that. So we got a little leak. And it blew some fluid out on the exhaust. So that's what that smoke was, y'all saw it. Wasn't nothing serious, none of that. But the car moved good, man. For a first hit, when it ran on hard tires, it's strong, man. It's strong. But I know I can get it better because I was feeling the car out. I wasn't full throttle. The whole pass, I didn't go full throttle and really open it up. So I know it can go way faster. But the car, with what the car make too, man, I mean, the car been on dyno, so I know what it make. Y'all know I pretty much know what all my car make. And the car, y'all will see when I take it to the track. Trust me, y'all gonna see when we take it to the track because when I hear power, horsepower, or torque in a particular vehicle, I pretty much know what it's gonna run in the 8. I really do, because I know how much power it takes to move a certain weight. Y'all know I got the scales over here. I got the scales, man. I'm going to weigh it. I'm going to weigh the car. I got the scales over there, so we're going to put it on the scales and all that. But all in all, that was a first good pass. I'm satisfied with that. But we're going to check back in tomorrow, and we're going to do it one more time, and we're going to see how many numbers I can knock off of it. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. It's a new day. So like I said, look, we're gonna shake this thing down again. Old air train, I can say train smoke. Old air train, we're gonna shake it down again, man. And then I'm gonna get straight into the footage, man. I ain't gonna do no transition or nothing, cause I don't know how many minutes the vlog is already. But we basically gonna shake it down again. And I want to see I can get the, well, I ain't gonna see. I know I can get the car to go faster just by driving. Cause like I said, the first pass y'all saw, I was just feeling the car out. I'm feeling the car out, kind of see where it wants to get on the tire, what throttle, what percentage of throttle it want to get on the tire and all of that. Cause a lot of stuff driving. So I'm finna change some things up. I do 60 foot real high, but I mean 60 foot tail to tail, man. I got some things. I can do to make this thing better. So we're gonna jump straight into the pad, man. We're finna get straight to it. And y'all check it out. All right. So y'all saw that second one. Hey, now tell me that thing to get better. A whole lot better. Look, 4/10 faster. 4/10 faster than the first one. Just driving different. 4/10 faster, man. Just like that. So the car's stout. The car's stout, man. I'm telling you. This thing here, I got some plan for it, man. I got some plan for it. And then look, I'm just now looking under the car kind of a little bit, looking it over. And from front to back, it room for drivetrain upgrade. So what I'm gonna do, it don't even have coilovers on it yet. So I don't have no adjustability on the shocks right now. It got QA1s all the way around, which is a decent shock, but I'm gonna put something better on there. So from front to back, the suspension got room for upgrade. So I'm gonna change shocks. It need an anti-roll bar on it. It need longer wheel studs in the back. It got an 8.5 in it, so that's a good thing. But it need longer wheel studs, of course, for safety. Gonna have to run open lug nuts on these wheels, but it definitely need longer wheel studs. So that's for sure. That's getting done. Like I said, get some coilovers built for it, like I did the rest of my cars, Meech, Dolo. So we're doing coilovers. We're definitely gonna do that. The drive shaft, I'm gonna go aluminum drive shaft. That's weight right there. Aluminum drive shaft, man. I'm gonna do double adjustable up and lower rear control arms. I'm finna set this car up, man. This joker gonna ride. So I'm gonna take it like this so y'all can see the difference in 60 foot. When it comes time for me to reveal all that, if I reveal it. But I'm gonna take it just like it is now. And I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna speed it up by first, like drivetrain upgrades. The engine good, man. The guy who built the engine, which I know him, he got a fast truck himself, man. Shout out to Mark. He got a fast V6 love truck. And the man know what he doing, man. He's a bad man. I gotta show him love. He got down on the engine. He definitely got down on the engine. The engine fire. It's there. So the upgrades, cause making a car faster, you think it's just all in the engine, but it ain't. Making a car faster also is in drivetrain. You can make your ET drop by drivetrain upgrades. So the stuff I'm gonna do to the drivetrain, the suspension part of the drivetrain alone gonna make this car faster. It's gonna pick it up. Believe me, hitting the right ears, it's gonna pick it up. Drive shaft gonna help. I wouldn't believe the difference in drive shafts, the weight. Drive shaft gonna help. I haven't even checked the U-joints out, but if it still got regular 1310 U-joints, we definitely ain't doing that. I'm doing 1350s. I do 1350s in all of mine, solid U-joints. So I'm definitely be upgrading the pinion yoke. If it's not already upgraded, I'm gonna jack the car up and get on and stuff, but if it ain't already upgraded, I'm gonna upgrade the pinion yoke to a 1350. I don't know what axle's in here yet. I'm gonna pop the drones off and see. And I'll be going real disc brake on this one too for the sake of weight. Y'all know I really don't care when it comes to drone, but these boxes, they got them big drum. I got the brake system way bigger than this. They got them little small brakes on it. But for the sake of weight, I'll be going real disc brake, or depending on what this thing will take. Cause this is an 8.5. And an 8.5 and a Gbody, they can take more than an 8.5 in the box Chevy due to the weight of the vehicle. So like Dolo, well, I'm gonna say Meats busted the 8.5 at a certain power level. This might be able to take it, but we're gonna put the real disc brakes on and stuff and see what it take. And but the power we're making right now, it should take it. And you know, you got room right there too, cause this thing not on a lot of boost. The blower can this joker can put out some boost, but it's not on a lot of boost, but it's already making a good amount of power. And I don't know if he was running it on this E85 that he got locally around his way, but if he was, that's an upgrade too right there. There's room for upgrade, cause I'm running pure E85. Renegade blends are great. If you can get your hands on some Renegade, you ain't ever tried it, you try some Renegade. I'm telling you, I know about all the other ones. Try some Renegade, but it's gonna pick up on that alone. So that's why I'm trying not to ride as much, cause I'm already down to half a tank, because I want to take this car to the track on this fuel first, show y'all the difference, and then I want to put it on the Renegade and then take it again. So I want to do that before I get to adding stuff to the car, suspension and all that stuff, cause I get to moving quick. But all in all, this car is great, man. It's a great car, y'all. Trust me. I told y'all, people, just the build before the build. We already rolling. We're doing little stuff. We got locks and trunk lock, which it didn't have a trunk lock at first. I'm going to get in here and get this cover put on soon. I can make the dash look like something. Then, yeah, see, I gotta fix all that. We're gonna fix all that. Make the dash look like something. I'm gonna make the whole interior look like something, man. So, you know, it'll look decent. You feel like I am in a newer car. You'll be surprised, man. You feel so much better about your car when you straighten your interior up. You ain't got nothing hanging and all that. It make you feel good. So I'm gonna get that. Once I get the interior straight, I'm gonna find me a AC control to put right there to take up that space. I'm gonna get the switches mounted like they should be, so you can flip them and stuff. Just straighten up, man. Bolt that down, just straighten up the interior, and then I get in some music put in here. Some sound 4.6x9, that's good enough. I don't want to add a lot of weight in the car anyway. I don't like speakers and stuff no more, no way. But I used to, but I ain't into all that no more. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So this week I probably order some longer wheel studs, because that is a must, man. Wheel studs not super expensive, something you can do to your car, but believe me, get you some longer wheel studs, especially when you make some steam. So I'm gonna get some longer wheel studs. I need to go ahead and get the racing wheels for this car that I'm on. But this holding me up, cause I cannot take this car to the track until I get this right here straightened out, man. Can't go to the track like that. So I'm trying to get this straightened out this week so I can get that one up, and then I can move forward to possibly buying some racing wheels and then some radials and all that. Even though I got a bunch over here, man, it's crazy. And finna have more. I don't even know what, I don't have room for another set of racing wheels. That's crazy. But what I might do, I might sell these slicks right here. I just bought them just to test, man. I bought them to test them Hoosier slick. And I bought them for if I was gonna go to Edenton with the boxes. Headhunters Dragway, which that Headhunters been closed over a year and a half now. But I bought them in case, cause it's a slick prep track. Radials don't work the best. So that's why I bought them new Hoosiers, and then I was like, I ain't had to tell you, they ain't open back up. Cause if I gonna take Meats, cause Meats never got a chance to go to Headhunters since I got it done, cause Headhunters been closed that long, and Meats been together about to be 2 years now. So, you know, it's just the way that happened. So I got some, man, I got so many tires, it's unreal, cause let me see. These are Dolo front runners. I'm gonna keep these wheels though. I bought brand new billet specialty back wheels just to put those slicks on, man. So I'm gonna keep these wheels, man. I'll use them for Dolo because billet specialty lighter and they look better. And I'll probably buy Dolo some front runners to match. The back spacing different between these and Dolo's back wheels because Meek's got the rear disc brake, but these still should clear and fit. We'll test fit them and see. Them R&B, them wifey front runners. These Meeches, they come out all the time. Cause I use these. The Meech wheels are, these are, I think these wifeys. I think these wifey slick. Yeah, these wifey slicks. Dolo street tires. Dolo radials. Man, I got so many Meech street tires. Then we still got wifey cutlass rally. There's wifey front runner. We still got wifey cutlass rallies put up, man. It's so many wheels. Then this car here gonna get some wheels on it. So then you're gonna have another set of wheels. We got so many cars, man, and we keep all our factory wheels. And you gotta think these cars that I got, they got 3 sets of wheels that go to them. They got the street tires, which sometimes I do like to take the wheels off and put the regular 15s on. So we got the street tires, then you got the big wheels, then you got your radials. And I don't go to tracks that slick prep no more, and I don't run no prep. So, I mean, Edenton was Headhunters were the only slick prep track I was going to. So I might sell them Hoosiers, man. I might take them things out and sell them. Them Hoosiers got 1 pass on them, for real. Them tires got 1 pass on them, but a radial is so much of a faster tire. I be trying to tell people, man, that ask me for advice. I'm like, listen, bro, it's stuff you can do to your ride that's low cost. Even though radials are high, they about $660, $670. But what can you spend that type of money on and knock 3 to 4 tenths off your ticket? Yes, it's that much of a difference. I done tested it. I tested it real time, real work. What can you spend that type of money and not that much time off your ticket, man? That's just like doing a major engine overhaul. So, yeah, it's worth it. So, yeah, radials by far faster tire. Radio Pro, get you a Radio Pro, Mickey Thompson, just can ride. But I'm happy with old Airtran, man. We're going to keep it rolling, man, and all that. So, I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later, BCG. We out.